Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get unlimited virtual cards for free trials for eternity basically, so you can remake virtual cards as much as you want. So this website that I'm going to present to you now is Jeton. It's a UK website. It's a UK banking app that lets you get free virtual cards once you complete your onboarding process on the app. So basically this is an app like Payoneer, Wise, Revolut, etc., but it's less inconvenient to complete the onboarding process. For example, for Payoneer, you need to have at least $100 on the account to order a card, and on this app, you can order the card right away. So here, you just have to sign in. So I will get you guys when I sign in my account. So now, as you see, guys, I logged in my account, and here I have 0 GBP, 0 pounds, because I didn't put money in this account. But to order the card, you don't need money. You just need to complete your onboarding process, which is verifying your account. So here, as you can see, I have the overview with my account balance, if I want to deposit, send, exchange, etc. And here I have this card part right here. And here for the jeton card, you just have to click this button on order card, and here to request a card I just need to complete the onboarding process and get verified before I can issue a card. To do so, it's really simple. Just go to verify your account in the top corner here, and then here you will have multiple steps or multiple ways to verify your account. Either you have an identity document like a passport, a driving license, etc. You need to provide an address information. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. It's just to deliver the card to you physically, and then you will have to perform a liveness check with your phone or with your camera, and then they will ask you some questions for what you will use the card, where you're from, etc. And that's it. It will be very simple, and the process will take maximum 15 minutes, and you'll be done. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.